Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how you can switch the AUX of your BMW E60 to Bluetooth. First of all, you're gonna need a Bluetooth modem, and you can get one in the link in the description. I'll leave it down for you. And it's not expensive, it's around $10 when I got it, but I will be showing you how you can connect it. Currently it's installed right here in behind. I will be showing you how you can dismantle like all of these plastics, and all that you're gonna need is this thing or something similar. I saw some people using credit cards or something like that, and a screwdriver, because there's a couple of screws. Then you're gonna need to connect the Bluetooth adapter to the power output and to the AUX input, and that's basically it. Instead of your AUX, you're gonna have Bluetooth in your car. So let's begin. As you can see, I've managed to dismantle it from the position. First of all, unhook this side with the plastic thingy and this one, and you can just pull it out straight out. But one thing that I forgot to mention is that we need to take this one out first, and I'm gonna do that now. That's it. In a couple of minutes we got this part out. As you can see, mine was in piano black foil, and the guy that did it didn't do a great job, as we can see right here, but I can't bother with it right now. So there is a couple of these metal like thingies that hold the plastic together. So when you unhook it like from the sides, make sure to pull it straight out. After we took the plastic off, the next step is to unscrew these two screws right here, and this whole thing, in my case with this part down here, is gonna go off at once. So when we unscrew these two screws, just pull it out. When you get to this part, there's gonna be a couple of jacks that you need to unhook from its original position. Just make sure that this is the one for your for this button right here. There's this blue one and these two. They all function basically on the clips, so you just pull these clips out and they unhook, and when you hook it back, you just hook the clips, and just make sure that you hook it in the place where it was hooked before. It's unhooked, and down here as well we have more jacks that we need to unhook, and it's the same like with these guys, and unhook it and then we can proceed. And we got this part out as well, so we're gonna be putting it aside and proceeding with disassembling the central console, and the next thing that we need to take out is this right here. And we have two screws. One is here, second one is here. Unscrew those two and just pull it out. So we took it out, and this is what we have. This is the power connectors to your player, and this right here, oh, let me just pull it out. This right here is the Bluetooth module that we are using right now. So it is connected to the power output right here, as you can see, with this blue tape onto the another wire, which provides it power, and the black part actually goes into the connector. I cannot show it right now, but inside of this, on the downside, there is two connectors, and make sure to plug it into the left one, or if you have already AUX installed, just plug the connector where the AUX was. And to show you the finished product, when you got it all hooked up, you're gonna need to switch to the AUX right here on your navigation. When you do, you can go ahead and connect to Bluetooth, and as you can see, I'm connected right here. This is the name of it, and when you're connected, you can go ahead and put some music on. You can increase the volume. That's going to be it, guys, for this one. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. I'm gonna be assembling all this back together, and that's gonna be it. Until the next one, take care.